to the mathematics lesson of grade 6. Today we will learn about angles. To draw an angle, we need two straight line segments. What is this straight line segment? The following figure depicts a part of a line drawn straight. This is known as the straight line segment. So children, we all have a name. Like that, let's give a name to the straight line segment that we drew. I gave the name in capital letters A and a capital letter B in the English alphabet. Now the name of our straight line is AB straight line segment. An angle is formed by two straight line segments meeting as shown in the figure. The point at which the two straight line segments meet is known as the vertex of the angle. The two straight line segments are known as the arms of the angle. The angle is marked with a curved line segment as indicated in red. Let us now look at diagrams of several such angles. There is an angle between the minute hand and the hour hand. The angle between the two areas of a TV antenna. Also, we can see angles between the wood beams of a roof. The right angle. What is this right angle? Now let's do a simple activity. Here I have this colored paper with me, and I'll take this round lid and draw a circle with the help of the lid. Now let's cut along the circle that has been drawn and separate out the circular lamina. Now we have this separate circular part and we call it as the circular lamina. Fold the circular lamina into two. Without opening out the folded lamina, fold it again into two. Now our circular lamina will be like this. Open out the lamina that was folded as above and with a ruler mark the fold lines using a dark color. The final figure illustrates how the lamina has been divided into four equal parts by the two straight line segments. Here, four angles of equal size have been created as depicted in the figure. An angle of magnitude equal to the magnitude of each of these angles is known as a right angle. When the time is 3, the minute hand and the hour hand are at right angles. Look at the angles drawn on the square paper. These are also right angles. The symbol in red in the figure is used to denote the right angle. We just learned about right angles. So, let's see what the other angles are. Angles which are smaller in magnitude than a right angle are known as acute angles. Angles which are equal in magnitude to two right angles are known as straight angles. Angles which are larger in magnitude than a right angle but smaller in magnitude than a straight angle are known as obtuse angle. Angles which are larger in magnitude than a straight angle but smaller in magnitude than four right angles are known as reflex angles. So, today we learned about angles. Also, we learned 5 types of angles: right angle, acute angle, straight angle, obtuse angle, and reflex angle. We'll talk more about angles in our next video. Till then, bye.